This week we're getting an electrical board built. So we're gonna put an extra panel in here, gonna box out around here, and then build up and back. So we've got a base for the battery to sit there, and then all the units to sit in and around that, and fingers crossed it all just kind of works. We're kind of winging it. We know it kind of fits. We've got a board that's big enough, and then we've got this extra board that I'm sat on here that's going to be for extra bits and bobs, and then a load of battening to go around here that we'll bolt into, and the battening will bolt to the floor. Should be great. So let's crack on. Okay, so the reason we're doing this is to give us something to bolt onto. Now got to build, probably using this, a little board, but we also need to think about this. So we're going to put a batten in here just to give us a bit of breathing room, which means that this is going to be cut off here. What we've done, got a batten at the top and some battens at the bottom. So now we've just got to cut the wood that's behind me out there, so it'll actually just slide around this maybe. So we want to come to the edge of this and the edge of this, and then just come straight up, and we'll box it. Right, we've built a box. Not a together box, but it's a box. We have a board for electrics. It's all got to be painted in fireproof paint, because I'm not using phenolic ply, because that's just too expensive. So yeah, and then it's gapped off the rear here for a bit of extra room and ventilation essentially. Yeah, we'll finish this box. I'm running out of time for the day, so we'll do a little bit more one evening this week probably. Yeah, we'll get this box finished, and then it's a case of mounting everything, pulling cables through, and rock and roll. So yeah, let's crack on with the next bit. Right, we've got a layout planned for everything electrical, which is good. So we've got, let me run you through it. Battery, it's a battery. As I've said before, we've got 280 ampere EcoWorthy. We have solar array isolator. Then we also have the electrical hookup That comes in somewhere around here-ish. So we'll feed that in, and that'll come into here for the electrical hookup breaker. Then I've decided the 12 volt fuse board is going here. Reasons for that: when I open the van door, I'll be able to see this. So they'll be fed from the Lynx distributor. From the battery, we'll have big thick wires coming here into here. I think they're 70mm wires. And then again from here, another pair of 70mm wires out to the multi-plus, so that's our inverter charger. And then from this electrical hookup breaker, the wires will go in here, out the top here, into the multi-plus, and then we've got another output from the multi-plus, which will be the 240, which will come into here. Then we've got the DC-DC charger. There's plenty of wire on that one, so I've decided to move it over here. It doesn't have to be anywhere. I might move it up there, just to keep it off the floor a little bit. And then the Servo GX. I think that's my layout. What it does mean is I can now bolt everything to it inside, wire it up inside, and then probably, rather than carry it all out like this, I'll probably take the battery and the multi-plus off and then slot it into place, then bolt the multi-plus and battery into place in the van, because these two are the heavy bits. The rest of it's fairly light. Heat shrink, hot air gun, put together and magic happens. That is now electrically sealed. Same again. Yes, I'm well aware this is black and not red, but the cable's red, so sue me. Job's a good one. So we have these mega fuses that go on here, and for the inverter, 300 amps. That's our first circuit connected technically. So we've got the solar isolator here. I need to look at the wiring output of this isolator because I think it's 1 and 5 and 4 and 8, but I'm not 100%. So we'll find the instructions for it. 6 and 8 and 5 and 7. That's what we want. He's not dead. He's a very naughty boy. Aren't you? You're a very naughty boy. So I'm going to try not to stand on Jensen. I used to be really slack with my tug tests and think, not try and pull it too hard, but if you don't pull it too hard, you're not going to know if it's actually crimped. So when you go do a tug test, make sure you really tug it, and then you're all good. Right, so these, do we do this end first? I think we do, don't we? Right, that bit's done. Next up, we want DC-DC. Those of you that will have watched the wiring one, it's my wiring diagram from the YMI Campervan. YMI van. So we're just checking things. 16mm square fuck me. We need this stuff. Big boy stuff. Cool, that's fine. DC side done. Right, that's the electrical board built as far as we can without it being in the van. Right, so we've got an AC earthing point from here down to the bottom corner there. 50 centimeters away from that, we've got this DC earthing point. Yes, I know it's on a red wire, but it's got yellow and green striped tape around each end, so I know that that's the earthing one. That goes up to a chassis earth that was already in place. Rocking and rolling. Solar panels are connected, electrical hookups connected. Only thing left now is all of these DC points, which are going to be a pain, but we will get them in. So that's the electrical board done. Pretty happy with that. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, give us a comment, let me know what you think. Next job is at the front. Gonna cover the B pillar around the rear of the seats, and then it's putting in the bulkhead between the garage area and the living area. So follow us, see the next video. We're gonna do the B pillars. Should be a fun one, vaguely instructional hopefully. Thanks for watching.